So you guys can hear me properly? Alokha, you can hear me properly? Janika, how are you?
Yes,
Yes.
I hear you.
Okay, so a lot of you watch the videos like afterwards on YouTube. So वो जो eyeliner वाला video था, that eyeliner one video, that you know, in that video, my eyes, everybody was visible, and I was also visible this small, so people were not able to see it. So maybe later I'll do that eyeliner trick again sometime. Let me mute all. Okay, because the recording happened in some way that everybody was not able to see me in the whole screen. I was visible like small only. So that's why. So to begin with, this will be a very simple eye makeup, and I'm going to cover pigmentation. I'm going to cover freckles. I'm going to make it a matte one and shimmery one. All right. So for this, I am going to use this MAC Pro Conceal and Correct palette. This is a very good palette. बहुत महंगी palette है. I have it since 5 years. This is a very good palette if you are a makeup artist or if you really like makeup. It comes in 3-4 shades. You can see how much I have used it. गड्ढे पड़ गए हैं पूरे, you know, it has almost all the dents. Can you see it? Yeah, ऐसे. Right, because I have used it so much. So this shade is for, guys, this shade is for
Crease area.
this
Means the orange one, I guess.
yeah, it is an orange one, and it is
So
used,
color corrector, I guess.
yes, this is a very, very good color corrector. It really hide your, you know, all these little bit of pigmentation. It really brightens up your face, and the best part is it's almost melts into your skin. Then this is a yellow color corrector. Suppose if your skin, you know, needs, it is looking pretty little whitish, then you want to look little warm, then you can add this color in your foundation little bit, है ना, जैसे बहुत white लग रहा है तो आप थोड़ा सा उसे mix कर सकते हो. And then this is a
This is the
Contour.
contour. Okay,
Contour.
this is contour. So I'm going to do this also, because what is contour? Contour is when you really want to define your features, you know, and you want to look, you know, you want to hide little areas on your face. You want a chiseled look. You want a very, you know,
sculpted
face. Then I'm going to use this. You want a little smaller nose, then we are going to use this. These two were concealer and foundation shades जो कि मैं खत्म कर चुकी हूँ. And this is also a brown shade only. And since मेरा ये थोड़ा lighter है, इस shade से थोड़ा lighter है. That's it. This shade से थोड़ा lighter है. So I haven't used it much. मुझे जरूरत नहीं पड़ी. Somebody little you know, fairer than me, शायद उनको use होता, but it was a perfect palette for somebody who is of my shade, medium shade. And most of all, you know, it is also a good, it is very, very easy to carry also. टूटती वूटती नहीं है, छोटी सी plate है. If you do not want to carry foundation, आप concealer और contour लगा के भी you can use this palette. Okay, so I have all the good things to say about this palette. So I'm going to start by applying moisturizer on my face and as a primer also. So I'm going to use the Vichy Glow Oil.
Wow.
And going to, so now since it is winter, you guys can, you know, apply more of it, massage more of it. Gives you a good glow.
আমার ফোনটা নিয়ে এসো.
What I do is, once I apply it, I use my gua sha also. You know, that way it really, really seeps into my skin. So if you use a moisturizer, you use a serum, you can use your gua sha to, you know, let it imbibe into your skin. It really, the magnesium, the iron which is present in this, it really helps your skin. Okay, so you'll see that it helps. To put it on your neck, don't forget your neck. So always, whenever you're using gua sha na, use it upwards. Like this. So I'll let it this way. No, the moisturizer will seep into my skin better. Put it on your lips as well, under your eyes. ये वाला portion हम eyes के लिए use करते हैं. Okay, so if you have, if you have fine lines under your eyes, छोटी-छोटी lines होती है ना, then use little bit more of the oil और उसको ऐसे third finger से लेके and put it under your eyes. Like this. So this way your concealer will not will not have lines. It will look very, very natural. So moisturizing is the key. अगर आप moisturize अच्छे से नहीं करोगे, if you will not under eyes को आप अच्छे से moisturize नहीं करोगे, then this area will not look flawless. So that is very, very important. Okay, इसको ऐसे आप एकदम दोनों eyes से you up drop. कुछ भी लीजिए. You can even apply your eye cream. All right, under eye cream. If you're using any under eye cream, then you can apply that as well. All right. So like this. Now I am going to do my foundation. So for the foundation, I am using pack. Although khatam ho gayi hai.
Madam, you said you will do primer too.
So this acts as a primer only.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, this acts as a primer also. So you do not have to use both the products. You can, use. I generally try to not to have too many, products for each and everything. That way it helps. Companies generally make it like, आप इतना ये लगाओ, वो लगाओ, फलाना फलाना. I try to make it कि भाई एक ही प्रोडक्ट से आप बहुत चीजें कर सकते हो. Okay. So now I'm taking this foundation. I'm using this pack foundation. It has so many shades. इसमें इतने सारे shades होते हैं. And if you buy a palette like this, तो अगर आपकी foundation, if you get a foundation which is not of your right shade, then you can add some colors from this palette also. These kind of palettes, ये Nykaa में भी आती है, this kind of palette, and you can mix and match it to your shade and make your shade. अगर if you have got a wrong shade of foundation, that doesn't mean that now ab garbad, now you have to throw only this foundation. You can add some colors from this and try to make your own foundation color. Okay, जैसे हम किसी का bridal कर रहे हैं, है ना, किसी का bridal करते हैं, तो when we apply color, कभी कभी होता है, हमें लगता है कि this color, this girl is looking little darker or little fairer than what she looks, or little whitish. So we add more shades of color from these kind of palettes. All right, so that's how you try to, and that's why knowledge also becomes much more. So where are my brushes? Let me just check. Just check my brushes. I'm still confused about foundation. At Maybelline store, they said that my skin is yellowish and advised some foundation which did not give any glow. I still look dark and dull. How to pick shades to mix? All right. If the person, see, honestly, जो यहाँ Maybelline store पे and all these girls who are sitting there, they are not very trained until and unless they are MAC store and all. इतनी trained नहीं होती हैं. So don't totally believe them. You need to have your own gut feeling as well. Okay. So if you think that your shade make you look dark, then the shade which you chose, उससे एक shade fairer ले लो. Because sometimes when we apply a foundation, it looks fine on our face, but after half an hour, it makes our face darker. Okay. So what happens is, I'm repeating it again, that when you buy a foundation, it makes your face look good. It face looks glowing, but later on, that foundation, your face, it actually start looking darker, because when it gets into contact with our skin temperature, skin, all the things, skin, sweat and all, it might make us dark. So better will be that if you find this, then get a shade, one shade fairer. And for the glow, Maybelline foundation will not give you the glow. For the glow, add the facial oil. All right, add this oil, then only you'll get the glow. Brushes नहीं मिल रहे. Guys, okay, Sneha, have you understood this, or shall I repeat it? Okay. Okay, Pushpa, I'll repeat it again for you. What I'm saying is that when you get your foundation, when you go to a store and she says that please get this foundation, this is your foundation shade, but when you apply it, it makes you look darker. Then this is because when you use the shade, when the foundation got in contact with your skin, when it got in contact with your room, with your sweat and other things on your face, it turned you into darker. It made you look dull and darker. So our effort should not be to look fairer, neither our effort should be to look darker. Our effort should be to look the way we are and much more glowing. Glow is what makes you attractive. Okay. So take a shade fairer, and for the glow, add the glow oil, or you add any thing. You can add what else you can add? You can add any glowing primer. NYX has primer like that. Why I suggest the glow oil? Because you can use it for multiple ways. You can use it for as a glow oil, as a primer for your massage. So this really helps, and that is why I recommend this. Now I'm going to take my foundation and take this. So if you are a bride and you want to make your makeup kit, then there are few foundation which I will recommend you. Or if you are a makeup artist, then if you can afford it, then Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. Ye foundation itni thick hai, it is so high coverage, it will hide everything. For example, if you see little spots, very little spots, on my face right now. So what I'll do is just show you. It just covers everything, and it gives you such a it's not very thick to apply, but it gives you a very good coverage. Pushpa, I am using the Double Wear shade A69. इसका number है A69. And in pack foundation, I'm using the shade 3.1. I have to order it. So all these foundation now I don't order from the store. I get them from online only because of the experience. So until and unless you don't try, आपको makeup नहीं आएगा. Until and unless you don't try, or you only try when you have to go out. थोड़ा बहुत तो आपको करना पड़ेगा. And anyway, now makeup has SPF into it. It has moisturizer into it. So if you do makeup daily also little bit, then it protects your skin from harmful radiations. It protects your skin. So it is good only, you know. It's a myth that people think that if I do makeup regularly, then my skin will go bad and all. No, if you take care of your skin nicely, then it will not go bad. Okay. Dermacol foundation, I have no idea whether it is good or not. I haven't tried it. No, Nancy, Dr. Nancy, I haven't tried it. So why I have done my foundation first? The reason I have done my foundation first is because I want my foundation to settle down. Right now, I might look very, whitish and pale to you, but when you will see me afterwards, when I've done my makeup, then everything will settle down. And that is why I'm doing this before. Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. My shade, I think it has only number, and my shade number is A69. Okay. Now I'm going to take the my brow brush, which is my favorite brush. Okay. So एक चीज और जो मैं आपको शायद बताई है या नहीं मैंने, whenever you are doing brows, हाँ जी पुष्पा, कोई नंबर, बस नंबर है, नेम अच्छा नहीं है यार, इस पे तो मेरे पे कोई नंबर नहीं दिख रहा. हाँ, इसका है 3W2 Cashew. 3W2 Cashew. That is my shade. So I am kind of a medium skin tone. So now let's do the brows. So for the brows, first thing which you have to really understand is कि पहले आपको canvas बनाना है. You know, so this part is where your brow should start. तो आप नाप के देख सकते हो whether your brow start from the right part. For example, यहाँ पे मैं मार्क बना लेती हूँ. Okay, this is where my brow should start. So if you want to see whether the shape of your brow is right on your face as per your face type, then you can check this way. And जो corner है वो यहाँ पे आना चाहिए. तो the corner of my brow should be here. And middle part यहाँ से यूं, highest point. So this is where my brow should start. This is where it should end. कभी कई लोगों की जो brow होती है, it finishes here only. So what you should do is you should extend it with the brow powder here to give the best look to your face. And this should be your highest point. So this is your way to know which is your right point. Okay, understood? All right. So I'll just remove towel. All right, so I'm going to take this and now take this powder and draw a stencil. एक बार आप figure out कर लोगे what should be your brow shape, then it will be very easy to do it every time. It will not take more than 30 seconds, you know. And then go little up. See, immediately my brow looks so neat, right? If you want to go little less darker, it's fine. Go with a less brown color. Okay. I'll do it here. Look at the vast difference between this brow and this brow.
तो क्यों करा?
Okay. So now with this back of the spoolie, I'm going to just brush it. So whenever you brush, always brush up. Guys, mute yourself, please. Okay. So here also, just brush. All right, understood? So, you know, mine are a little darker. If you want to make them little thinner, it's fine. क्योंकि थोड़ा सा मेरे ब्रश पे eyeliner लगा हुआ था, so it became little darker, but I am okay with dark brows also. Else what you can do is just, if your brows are darker, just take the towel and remove the excess. Okay, can you see? Just remove the excess if they became darker. Yeah. All right. So like this, huh? Now I'm going to teach you the, see, now my makeup, my foundation has also settled a bit, little bit. It has settled down. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take little oil and apply it on my lips also, so that when I apply the lipstick and all, my lips are also moisturized enough. Otherwise, if you see those lines, cracked lines on some of people, that is because their lips are not moisturized enough. Now I'm going to take the concealer. So for the concealer, contour brush is so important, guys, for the contour and the concealing. I hope it is here. I'll use this one only, although one should definitely use the contour brush only. So what I'm going to do is just take, for example, if for contouring, just start with this point of your nose, of your brows, and go like this. Okay, this is a very, very natural color. So you will see that when you do it, because the oil is there, so it is easy to, you know, blend it also. Also use a contour brush. मेरा यहाँ दिख नहीं रहा है. See, immediately my nose will look very sharp, isn't it? एक simple सी trick है. Kavyam Sugar Foundation is good. See, it's a very simple trick, but immediately your nose will start looking sharper because जो इधर वाला portion है वो मैंने ढक दिया. I have just kind of, you know, toned it down. Now I'll show you how this area, this face, this cheekbones, I'll make them appear thinner to you. So I'll take this. I'll take this. यहाँ से मैं शुरू करूंगी. ये जो ये निकल के आ रही है ना, यहाँ से I'll start and do this. And यहाँ थोड़ा. So here my face, you know, I want my face to look thinner and sculpted from here. So here मैं करूंगी ऐसे. And then I'll just blend it. And this area, it will look lifted and it will look little thin. See, this is not going to be a surgery. It's not going to be a surgery कि आप बिल्कुल ही अलग लगोगे, but it will really make a difference to your look. Whole look, it will look different. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, again, I'm going to do over here like this and go here. Okay, so this will also not make my face look very white कि मैं भूतनी लग रही है. Even if you're a bride, even if you're anyone, contour is important. Contour is important. All right. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a crease brush. I'm using Vichy 04 brush. Yes, even for slim face, or if you have a thin face, or if you do not have a thin face, you should go for contour because it will give dimension to your face. It will make your face look very attractive. It's just that India में सबको लगता है how brown color लगा लिया काले लगेंगे. You know, don't go for that. It's not right like that. It actually adds so much of attractiveness to your face. All right, Pooja. So now for the party look. For the party look, I want my new year to be very, very zazzy. I want, even if I'm at home, I will really get ready. So I'm going to just take this kind of a color and put it in the crease. Very light. Okay. So I'm using this Vichy 03 brush. ये गोल होता है यहाँ से, तो इसको ना आंखों में करना बहुत आसान होता है. Like this, okay? The good brushes are always an investment. The ones which you have got from Vichy, if you compare them with any of the brush on any other places, you will find those are one of the best brushes. Okay, so ये आपको दिख रहा है how simple सा pink color मैंने डाला and my eyes look so beautiful than what here is. Isn't it? Now I'm going to put it here also. Just go round and round. How many of you are from Bombay? How many of you are from Bombay? Bombay, Pune, nearby?
Amruta.
put it in the comment section. Okay. Okay. 5, 4, 5. Okay, a lot of you are from here, there also. All right, so here, this is the pink, little pink, which I wanted to add for my, now for my, look. And then I'll take a darker pink or कोई सा भी, brown, maybe I'll take a brown. So मैं ये brown concealer ही ले लेती हूँ. That's what it is, you can make your makeup look like anything. I'll take a brown, यहाँ पे, it's a concealer or it's a contour, and I am going to apply it like this on my eyes, like an eyeliner. It is hardly visible, but I'm going to show you how it will work. Now इसके ऊपर मैं dark maroon लगा रही हूँ, eyeshadow. All right, I'm using this maroon. You can use any, play with colors. All right. Smita Shah, okay, you are also from Mumbai. Anu is also from. Pallavi is from Pune. I know Pallavi. Okay, so this eyeliner I have created with this look. Understood? I've applied a brown concealer. उसके ऊपर मैंने color लगा दिया since I didn't have the eyeliner. Okay, guys, so you can actually create any kind of eyeliner look this way. Also, soft eyeliner look, not very dark one. So I'm using 2-3 eyeshadow palette. Here I'm using Huda Mauve Obsession, and I'm using ColourPop Truly Madly Deeply. Priyanka, when are we getting our ColourPop stuff? I hope we get it soon.
Ma'am, one parcel has just cleared the custom and the other one has entered now India and it's in the
Wow.
custom.
Wow, did we
So, I
get the
think-
custom? Kitna custom, we had to pay custom?
No, nothing because I split the
Wow.
bill up.
Oh my God, that's awesome.
I split it up.
Hmm.
So there's no custom fees and your stuffs are coming in first.
Oh,
And
wow.
first step.
That's awesome. That's awesome. So I'm going to thank you so much for doing it. Thank you so much for doing
No, ma'am, it's my pleasure.
So I'll give you a call tomorrow, Priyanka. Okay.
Sure, ma'am, sure.
So now I'm going to take a black eyeshadow. ठीक है, मैंने ये pink color का, maroon color का eyeliner लगाया, and on top of it, I'm going to put a black color eyeliner, little one. All right, like this. So all I have not used any, pencil or anything. I have used kind of only eyeliner. This way my look comes very soft. It will not come very strong. कि बहुत सारा strong. It's a soft glam makeup. That's what we are doing. Now I am going to take an eyeshadow. इसी में से एक pressed pigment eyeshadow which is from ColourPop, and I am going to just put it on my eyes. So this eye look wouldn't have come the same if I would have used the black eyeliner. Okay, the strong black eyeliner.
Ma'am, you have used black eyeliner or black eyeshadow?
Black eyeshadow. Okay. So this, see how soft my makeup has turned out. Anybody who doesn't like a lot of dark makeup can use this kind of soft makeup. You know, I hope everybody has got pressed pigment. They are like, they look so good when you wear it in any party. All right. So this is how, now I'm going to add some eyelashes to it. So I have my Vichy eyelashes, which I'm going to add here. So again, what I'm going to do is just just take out the eyelash from the corner, very gently take out the eyelash. I hope you guys are practicing how to apply eyelashes. How many you have actually practiced? Huh? I'm going to apply the glue. How many of you have actually practiced applying the eyelash which we have sent? Guys? Shridevi, good. Shridevi, I know practice, yeah. And then just put it in the middle. And hold it. You know, these eyelashes look so natural. All right. See how much difference does it make to this look all together because I've put the eyelashes. And it's okay if it comes out, it's fine. Just keep practicing, guys. Applying eyelashes is just practice. Just apply 2-3 times, then it will become such an easy thing. You will feel confident. Initially, even I had this issue. Nobody was confident enough to apply the eyelashes. But look at this. It looks so good once you apply it. And आप लोग को तो फ्री में मिली है, तो फिर यूज करके just apply, right? You can even hold it from here and then put it on the eyelash line. Like this. Now the white thing which has come, which is there, the glue, let it dry up. जैसे यहाँ पे dry हो गया तो अब कम दिख रहा है. We'll wait for this to dry up, and whatever is visible, we are going to cover it with the eyeliner or a black eyeshadow, like that. Neha is asking, ma'am, जिनकी पहले से long है उनको भी eyelashes use करनी चाहिए. I think even if you have long eyelashes, you should definitely try eyelashes because इतनी long नहीं हो सकती. You know, but still you can even use a eyelash curler and then make it work. That is also fine, right? So now I'm going to use niche. I'm going to again use that dark color and apply it. See how much change this color has brought to the makeup. Step by step आप देखेंगे. Like I always say, अच्छा मेकअप पहनोगे तो सस्ते कपड़े भी महंगे लगते हैं, है ना? You know, simple black dress looks so good, as if it's such an amazing dress because you're wearing a good makeup. So this is how the glam makeup, which I would like to wear on my if things would be good and we are allowed to go out. I'm going to show you how to use the pink. Although too much of pink is also not good, but still let me just try. I'm going to use this lipstick. This is Maybelline Lover lip color. Maybelline Lover lip color. This is from the matte ink range. So I'm going to just put little bit here. Liquid lipstick ko you can use it as a blush also, and then just blend. Immediately blend. Otherwise it will stick. Immediately blend with a very light hand. Otherwise आपकी foundation निकल जाएगी. Okay. All right. Now very lightly. If you think it is too much, then just put some. Use your foundation brush, because I don't want to look too pink as well. I want to look just decently pink. And then I'm going to do my liquid lipstick. So look at this, how I apply my liquid lipstick. Whenever I apply my liquid lipstick, I start from the corner. And from the corner, I don't start from extreme corner. ये नहीं use करने हैं. सिर्फ थोड़ा सा. Like this. Okay, you draw the line, but don't apply it on the corner. Like this. And then like this. Now fill. Okay, do it like this. Now I am going to use the glow oil and add a glow to my face, a shimmer to my face. For that, I'm going to use you can use some powder also to just brighten up this area. And now I'm going to use a shimmer and mix it with the oil. And guys, please send me your oil reviews. This will help us, in producing more good things. I know you guys have loved it so much. हम हमेशा out of stock होते रहते हैं, but help us out also. And one with the best reviews, we will send you good gift. Maybe we'll send you a free oil. That way, help us out. So I'm taking this oil. मैंने इसको highlighter से mix किया है, and I'm applying it here. Like this. So very natural glow I want. On your यहाँ पे जो these cheek bones, ये जो bones होती हैं यहाँ पे, okay? like this. And you can even use it on your lips also, like this, you know, the shimmer, like that. Little bit on your nose also, like this. So basically what we became, we contoured, we did our highlighting, and we did our जहां darkness, जहां हम shade चाहते थे, वहां हमने shade चाहा. And now I'll just open up my hair. Please do your hair better than me when you're going out. And I'll just remove this, wear some good jewelry, and we are ready to go for a party. Wear some nice earrings. Maybe I can wear, whenever you're wearing a plain top, accessorize with a nice, you know, nice simple chains. Simple things really make so much of a difference to your look. And some nice hoops, maybe these ones. And it's not a difficult look at all, because I'm explaining you, I'm talking to you, you know, it looks like that. And you're all good to go for the party. And you know, I would like to do my hair curls and all, do whatever you like, and enjoy a party. Even if we are at home, enjoy the day. That day is also a present, isn't it? That is why we call today is a present, right? Pushpa, all the products which I have used, which one do you want to know? I will tell you that. Okay, I cannot name all the products, but because we all the products which I use most often are already in the must-have product list. The powder which I have used, thank you, Vasanti. I'll tell you a very nice way to make a bun someday. You will really like it. And powder I use Maybelline Fit Me. Maybelline Fit Me powder I had used. See, can you see that soft glow which I have here? It looks natural. It doesn't look like too much makeup she has done. Powder I use medium, Pushpa. All right. So how one can look simply good with a simple t-shirt, little accessories, little earrings, lots of makeup, and you're good to go. Okay. So any more questions which you have before we wrap up?
Yes, ma'am. Kiran this side.
Hi, Kiran.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, आपकी तो skin बहुत अच्छी है. So you look so beautiful when you do makeup. But like skin like us now, ma'am, हमारी skin is very challenging, ma'am. So is it possible for you to teach some challenging skin type also, ma'am?
Yeah. Tell me what is your challenge. I'll help you according to that.
Ma'am, actually my skin is not at all even, ma'am. There is a lot of freckles also, ma'am. Moles hai, pimples hai, and it's very uneven.
If your skin is uneven, first of all, start using gua sha and facial massage.
Ma'am, that I'm already doing.
You're doing, so do you see the difference?
Yes, ma'am. Little bit I have found the difference, but these are like my from years and years. These
Yeah,
marks
it
are
is going to take time. Probably 5-6
Yeah.
months you're going to see the difference. But
Okay.
the best thing which you can do is use a color corrector.
Ma'am, I'm doing it like orange color corrector I've used, but 2-3 times only I've used. So I think I'm not very confident using it now, but gradually I'd learn it.
Yeah.
But like I'm very happy with the brush which I received from you, ma'am. Foundation brush मुझे जो मिला ना, it's such a good thing, ma'am. उससे मेरी इतनी अच्छी blending हो रही है. So I'm really happy.
ये वाला
Every day I'm
brush
doing
ना,
it.
ये वाला
हाँ जी,
brush.
हाँ जी. The other day you remember, ma'am, I showed you some brushes and I said कि ma'am इसका क्या करूँ, इसका क्या करूँ. You said कि those brushes are not good. So I thought let me try your one foundation brush. So this I've got, ma'am, and it's excellent, ma'am. बहुत ही अच्छा, and I'm really happy with it.
ये जो brush है, ये एक्चुअली में गॉड सेंट है, आई ऑनेस्टली बिलीव दैट, क्योंकि ये जो ये फिनिशिंग देता है यू नो वो बहुत ही बढ़िया देता है। आई
Yes, ma'am.
मतलब ये होता है कि लोग अगर एक खो भी जाता है ना, इसका बैकअप यूज करते हैं कि हमें एक बैकअप भी दे दे इसका। ऑल्दो बिकॉज सी मेरे पास तो मार्केटिंग का इतना पैसा नहीं है, सो दैट इज व्हाई आई एम नॉट एबल टू प्रमोट देम दैट मच, बट आई एम हैप्पी कि मेरे स्टूडेंट्स ही लेते हैं, तो दे गिव मी द फीडबैक, इट रियली मीन्स अ लॉट टू मी। थैंक
नहीं
यू।
मैम, रियली आई एम हैप्पी विद द ऑयल एंड द ब्रश, ये 2 चीजें मैंने मंगवाई आपसे एंड हैप्पी विद बोथ द प्रोडक्ट्स मैम।
थैंक यू। थैंक यू।
मैम मेरी स्किन के लिए कुछ बताइए, टाइप ऑफ
हाँ, तो
मेकअप।
आप ना, एक तो अगर आपको पिगमेंटेशन है, ये है, तो आप अपना मसाज पूरा कंटिन्यू करो, एंड for your acne marks, these will go away with the oil and the gua sha massage within 5-6 months. For freckles are freckles, they don't go, right? They are your beauty point. But if you want to remove them, right, you have to hide them with the red contour only. Agar wo contour, aapne kaun sa contour shade liya hai? Which contour color did you do?
Orange, I speak in orange ma'am, orange.
Maybe try which brand?
LA Girl का मैम।
LA Girl तो अच्छा ब्रांड है। Just show me, tomorrow show me before and after pictures. I'll help you whether this is a good thing or not, or whether how you are making a mistake. I'll help you there. Okay.
Okay. Ma'am, second thing, one more thing, na, whenever I'm using loose powder, na, I feel that the fine lines are more prominent after that. So maybe I'm not moisturizing.
मुझे ना लोग बोलते हैं कि आप पाउडर नहीं यूज करते, पाउडर नहीं यूज करते। भाई पाउडर से ना बहुत ज्यादा ड्राइनेस आती है, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द ड्राइनेस योर ऑल फाइन लाइंस पैची दैट कम्स, सो डोंट यूज दैट मच ऑफ पाउडर। बहुत ही लाइट हैंड से पाउडर यूज करना चाहिए, बहुत ही लाइट हैंड से।
ओके मैम, थैंक यू सो मच मैम।
जितना पाउडर यूज करोगे उतना ड्राइनेस, उतना आपके लाइंस 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 दिखेंगी। डोंट यूज मच ऑफ पाउडर अंटिल एंड अनलेस यू आर 22 सही है। नहीं, स्किन मैच्योर होती है तो पाउडर कम यूज करो।
Okay ma'am, so what I should do ma'am for my makeup type, like I should be showing the picture every day, आपको बताना है how I'm doing
आप
it now?
मुझे अपना करेक्टर करके दिखाओ, बिफोर स्किन कैसी है, बाद में कैसी है, then I can tell you कि whether you are doing it right or whether the color which you have chosen is right, like that.
Okay ma'am. Okay, thank you so much ma'am.
Most welcome. Vasanti, I do not have a Krylon palette, so how will I show you how to mix and match Krylon palette?
Hi ma'am, I want to ask something.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah, I want to check something. Hi, Komal here. Yeah.
Hi, Komal.
Yeah. I want to check something that after foundation, can we use compact powder on top? Is it okay? I usually use that mostly.
See, if you're using a good compact powder, it is fine. But
yeah, I use Bobbi Brown.
Yeah, Bobbi Brown is fine. It is not very drying. But
Yeah.
the lesser compact you use, the more natural your makeup looks.
So after foundation, we should not use anything. You mean after applying foundation?
No, sure, but with a very light hand, with a very light hand. That is my experience. I'm sure कुछ लोगों का कुछ और experience रहा होगा makeup artist का, but मैंने generally यही देखा है. You try it this way and other way and see what works for you. Okay.
Yeah, my sister received the oil yesterday. Yeah.
Okay, great. I'm happy.
Yeah. Yeah, I like your lipstick shade. Which one was this? Let me know.
This is Maybelline 15 Lover. This is such a good brand, bhai. It is always on discount, and the shades variety is so good. This is also a very good shade. It will suit medium to fair skin tone very beautifully. Madhumita, तुम पे तो बहुत सुंदर लगेगा ये shade. Do try it out. बहुत प्यारी लगोगी.
Okay, ma'am. Try.
Komal, you try it out. This will be a very good shade on you also.
Yeah,
ma'am,
sure.
my skin is very sensitive. So when I'm applying facial glow or getting pimples, what can I do? Please tell me. Even if you're applying facial glow oil and you're getting pimple, it's okay. Keep applying it. थोड़ा quantity कम कर दो, उसे लगाते रहो. Your skin will get adjust to it. It is just that when you use the glow oil, when you are using the gua sha, the skin is erupting. It is. I have shared it before also. कि उसमें एक चीज होती है 10-15 दिन रुको, it will be fine. All right, your skin will accept it and you will see the glow. You will see the effect. All right, just reduce the quantity of it. All right, Ashwani. Will this light lipstick shade suit for South Indian dark skin? Not really. This skin shade, if you're NC45, no, this shade might not suit you. I'll tell you a shade which will suit you. One of my friend gifted it to me and I was like, ठीक है, ये shade मैं अपने class में भी बताऊंगी, बहुत अच्छा shade है. This one, Nykaa Teacher Tribe. Okay, all right, Hamza. All right, guys, I will have to switch off, but this I will take more question next time. So this Nykaa Teacher Tribe shade is very similar. If you have dark skin, this makeup will go with this shade. All right. Many Mangal, which is good, compact powder or translucent powder? Both are good. I have already shared the difference between it. Next time I'll share with you. My class is going to end soon. All right. How to order glow oil? You can order the glow oil from our website, Vaishi.com. I'll send you the link. Not a problem at all. All right. So guys, I'll see you next week. Thank you. And it's so good to see you all here. Please keep coming. Please keep sharing your look so that you improve. Learn the art of
Yes, I've been sharing since last 2 weeks.
Okay,
I think last week only. Last or last 2 weeks
Okay,
only.
I will see it. I will see it. I haven't seen the Telegram group since long. I will see it and I'll get back to it. All right. So
Yes,
thank
ma'am.
you guys. The recording
Thank you
is
so much.
available tomorrow.
New Year in advance. Happy New Year.
Same to you. Same to you. I
Happy
wish
New
you
Year,
so
ma'am.
much love,
Happy New Year, ma'am.
happiness, so much joy. May everyone in your family stay healthy, happy, and you get whatever you desire in your life. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Same to you. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.